wanted to take a few seconds and kind of share some things I think are really nice about Microsoft Windows 10. I get asked a lot, what are some of the cool new features? And one is obviously the smart menu. I can do a full screen, or I can do a small screen and still be able to access all my information. And in the full screen mode, I can still see behind as well as do some of my searches. I can also go into Windows feedback in a central location and be able to provide any feedback of issues or recommendations, suggestions to the Microsoft team that we're having. So I can sit there and go ahead and click add new feedback and go ahead and actually type in a new feedback, give some details so the support team understands what some of the issues might be and be able to better understand where some of the issues might be resulting from and pass that on to the developers. And then same thing if I have a particular issue, like, this particular user wants to say, bring the Windows 7 network icon back. I can go ahead and say me too, and I'm done, and I'm off to the races in a very small time frame, but in a central, still I could provide it in a central location. The other thing is the Insider. They have the missions, which is kind of like the Windows Office 2010 and 2013, where Clippett went in medieval times and he ended up having to get back to the castle so he can go into the present day, and basically the user was able to, through a series of tasks or missions, they were able to learn Office, applications and be able to better understand how to utilize them. One of the best coolest, the one I jumped up and down about when I heard in January is Cortana. Because I just happen to love Cortana. I don't have a smartphone, but I've had so many friends saying Cortana is really cool. It really helps. But to be able to go in and do reminders, applications, or anniversaries, or remind you of meetings, whatever the case may be, in a very quick and short fashion, or even if we're having traffic issues, Cortana can alert you of this particular traffic issues so that you're not late to an important date. These are just but a few of the new features that I really love, and I hope that you enjoyed the video.